10 days, 10 days, 10 days.
Hi everyone!
Massively late.
I know, right?
I thought it was next weekend.
And still not ready, but we'll get there.
We're here. Waiting to get on the road. Been waiting for this fella for like 2 hours. But we should be heading off soon, getting down to Raleigh. Get the day sorted and started. But we're all waiting for him. It's gonna be a good weekend. Let's get Saturblaze started.
That sunrise with the fire bright from the candlelight. Living the good life, watching you move all day and all night. The sun and the moon. Oh, it feels like there's nothing to prove. And everywhere I'm living the good life.
We thought we made it to Raleigh. That road's flooded. Hopefully there's another way in. We're all stacked up on the main road here waiting to get in. It's going to be an interesting afternoon.
Shit spot to have to turn around and see down there.
Alright, we made it to Raleigh. We're now out on the track, fixing it, doing some concreting work, getting it all ready for tomorrow.
The next day.
Smile, happy. The boys are on.
Here he is, the man of the hour.
You heard it here first, we're on the hard park. We got the riggies, let's get jiggy.
I'm Tyson. Let's go drifting.
Yeah. For all the festival heads. Check it out. Yeah. Alright, it's that time of the year you've been waiting for months now. Saving up your pay, trying to figure all your funds out. It's kind of funny when you think of all the fun how it's taken this long to shake last year's come down. Forget the past as soon as December starts. Grab your parents' credit card and hope that you don't get in last. Yeah, cause if you let it pass these days, a week late can mean paying triple when you beat pay off eBay. True, it's hard to figure out what tickets you want. Should it be Folks Festival or Pyramid Rock? Well for me, I really don't care cause I don't listen to rock or hip hop. I just wear earplugs and sit there and watch. If your favourite band's there, you think you'll never forget. You'll probably get that way, but you won't remember their set. If you're a festival head, then you already know the plan. Go and pack up all your shit, cause you're going on a trip for those summer days. Oh, summer days. For those summer days. Now when you finally make it there from driving up with your crew, you better get your mind set on finding something to do, cause you'll be stuck there lining up in a queue, moving bumper to bumper until your ass hurts, all to get your car searched. And with your alcohol you're stressing cause you need it bad. Stashing bottles of vodka up in your sleeping bags. Maybe get a spare tyre with a heap of cans. It doesn't matter, everybody has their secret plan. Once you're through, start picking your spot. Unpacking, realize all the things you want to do. Shit in the box. Already sitting there slow. You know it doesn't take long before you find somebody blazing up. Mate, what are you doing? I said to save the bud for save your run. It's always the cheap fuckers who ain't paid enough. Yep, but please note that we don't condone taking drugs. Summer days. Oh, summer days. I love summer days. Yeah, now as soon as the sun rises you'll be ready to start. 6 o'clock standing there outside your tent with a glass. You're in it for the long haul, it doesn't end when it's dark. We all know you've got your friends to make your energy last. And you gotta time it so you're peeking while the acts play. Try and jump the fence and start sneaking into backstage. If you get caught by police then try to act straight. Nah, they're not those pills, I need them for my back pain. Yeah. And dudes are flying saying to their mates, I love you man. Or on a walk so they can go and call their mum and dad. And then there's people who so desperately just need a friend. They're going up to anybody trying to have a D and then the next stage is you won't even watch the bands live. You're having too much fun talking shit around your campsite. Getting wasted while you're baking the sun. What can I say, yo, it's a fucking good way to get drunk. I love summer days. Oh, summer days. I love summer days. Never the last day you probably did something worse. So that time out in the sun left you covered in burns and smothered in dirt. The sight of all the dunnies is worse, and all the food shops around you are so hungry and hurts. All you wanna do is sleep, what back in the do? Splash up in that car and jump back in the queue. Yeah, I know we all complain about the pain when it ends, but next year we'll save up and do the same shit again. I love summer days. Oh, summer days. I love summer days. I love summer days. I was gonna say I love festivals. Really have to say really summer days. Yeah. Pez 360. Of course, Matic on the beat.
Oh, thank you.
Does your friend want some?
Do you want some?
I'll have a piece of chalky.
Yeah. There you go.
Cheers, brother.
Totally right.